Welcome to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. I'm Curtis Ship. Today we're going to talk about how to use Work Planner in Operations Center. Let's get to it. Work Planner is a great feature within Operations Center to save your operators time in the cab setting up documentation information. Simply go to Plan, select Work Planner. Determine the type of work you would like to begin setting up. In this example, we'll pick seating. To set up the work plan, we'll pick Plan Seating, and then we will choose the field or fields we would like to set up a work plan for. Select the field, click Next. We can then set up the crop, what variety is intended to be planted in the field, the target seeding rate. You could also load a prescription if you have one saved in Operations Center. You can also include the active guidance tracks that you would like in the work plan. Whichever guidance track has the star will be the first actively selected track when the work plan is accepted. We can also choose Machine and Implement if we so choose, and we can also set up an operator that is intended to perform the work. If you would like, you can also set up a work order number along with work instructions for the operator that they will see when the work plan pops up. For example, start on the east side of the field could be something you would like your operator to do. Push Save to save the work plan. You can then choose the work plan and send it to the equipment that will be carrying out the work. In the field, once the operator pulls in the boundary for the field, they will be automatically prompted that there is a work plan for the field. They can review the work plan and then hit OK, and all of the client farm field, variety, documentation information will all be pre-filled out to save them time from doing it in the field with the work plan. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. For more how-tos, visit the customer training section on our Koenig Equipment mobile app. See you next time.